What if your next production hub powered your global growth and your sustainability goals? Welcome to SPD Tech Valley, a smart, managed, sustainable industrial park developed by SPD Group. It is Southeast Asia's first LEED Gold certified industrial master plan. At the crossroads of ASEAN, powering access to regional markets and global opportunities, SPD Tech Valley, set in the heart of Malaysia, connects your factory to Port Klang and KLIA via North-South Highway and the Lekkas Highway, putting you on track to scale exports across ASEAN, Asia and beyond. You're not building from scratch. SPD Tech Valley is surrounded by mature industrial parks and global manufacturers in Senawang Negeri Sembilan, creating synergy, shared suppliers, and a competitive edge. With 523 acres of freehold land, every zone is planned for performance. Whether you're in medium or smart-heavy industry, or need a smart logistics hub, we're built to fit and engineered to grow. Need high load power? We're ready to connect with direct access to 132 kilovolts and 275 kilovolts from the national grid, delivering up to 200 megawatts to power your growth. Power, water, fiber, clean gas, all ESG aligned and optimized for uptime. Plus, 24/7 AI-powered security keeps your site protected, so you can focus on performance. Talent drives output. We support both with centralized labor quarters, center of excellence, and integrated business facilities. Your people thrive while your operations run smoothly. At SPD Tech Valley, sustainability isn't a checkbox, it's embedded. From solar to rainwater reuse and low-carbon logistics, this is where your ESG journey continues, strengthens, and scales. Our one-stop solution center supports your journey end-to-end, with direct coordination from MITI, MAIDA, Invest NS, SSM, KWSP, LHDN, plus factory consultation and construction expertise tailored to your needs, all under one roof so you can launch your factory with speed and confidence. This isn't just land, it's your platform for clean, scalable global manufacturing. Build the future at SPD Tech Valley.